Hello. So here's a box of 2018 Donruss Baseball. This is box number 2 for me. In my last box I did get 4 hits, so please view it if you want to see what my hits were. There's 24 packs per box, and you get guaranteed at least 3 hits of autographs or relics in each box. Okay, so Josh Bell. I got Matt Olson Diamond King, Cabrera Diamond King, Bryce Harper nickname, another Bryce Harper. Stroman, nice Aaron Judge, numbered to 500, Syndergaard, Bellinger, there's Griffey Jr., Mike Trout, Kershaw, Eddie Matthews, Frank Thomas, Reggie Jackson. There's the regular Aaron Judge. I think we got our first hit here. Darrell Evans. It's some kind of parallel card. Not bad. Eric Thames, Jackie Bradley Jr., Mookie Betts, Joe Morgan, Stanton, Andrew Miller, All Rise, Adrian Beltre. This is a Willie Calhoun Signature Series card. So that's 2 hits. Here's another Aaron Judge. Noticing a trend here. This looks like a box heavy of Aaron Judge type cards. An Elite Series Mike Trout, number to 999. Altuve, Scherzer, Freddie Freeman, numbered to 49, blue border, Andrew Har, Bryce Harper, Diamond King, Betts, George Brett. Sonny Gray, another Aaron Judge, that's the Diamond King. If you're a fan of Aaron Judge, which I am, this has been a pretty good box right here. Anthony Rizzo, Syndergaard, Adam Jones, Robinson Cano, Benintendi, black and white, Goldsmith, Kirby Puckett, Piazza, Cal Ripken, Johan Mancada, Andrew McCutchen. Leaders in LA. Whoops. Yu Darvish, Stanton, Benintendi, nickname, Evan Longoria. So halfway through the box, still looking for one more hit here. Hartman Killebrew press proof. Looks like it's numbered to 99. Mookie Betts, Abreu black and white, another couple more Mookie Betts. Travis Shaw. This is Joey Gallo, Out of This World. Kershaw. Juan Mancada, Nolan Ryan, Chris Bryant. Looks like this is a Jose Ramirez relic. Kershaw, Miguel Cabrera. Joe Morgan. Altuve nickname. Evan Longoria. King Felix. Cal Ripken, Hosmer, Jackie Bradley Jr., Dozier, Lindor, Nick Mayer, American Pride card, Evan Longoria, Chris Bryant. Here's a Mickey Mantle card. Rod Carew, another Mickey Mantle card. Down to the final 6 packs. Be interesting to see if I get an extra hit like I did in my first box. Duke Snider, blue border. Tony Gwynn, Bumgarner, Jim Palmer, Rizzo, Correa. Abreu, Dave Winfield, Mickey Mantle, Joey Votto, the Kraken, Gary Sanchez, Cody Bellinger, Francisco Lindor press proof, number 299, Chris Bryant, Trout, George Brett black and white. Here's a Mike Trout, Ozzie Smith, Elite Series Jose Ramirez, Ryan Braun, Chipper Jones, Corey Kluber. 2 more packs here. Wade Boggs and looks like George Brett, Justin Turner, Corey Bellinger, Clint Frazier, and I did get another hit. Looks like here it's a Peter O'Brien Diamond Collection. Syndergaard, Mickey Mantle. Down to my last pack here. Jim Palmer, Jay Bruce, Yadi Benintendi, Al Kaline, Rafael Devers. So the recap, I got 4 hits in this box, just like I did in the first one. So here's the Diamond Collection Peter O'Brien, Jose Ramirez relic. My autographs were this Dollar Evans refractor type, in the signature series of Willie Calhoun. So I do have one more box I'll be opening up later as well, and I'll be sharing that with you. So please like this video and subscribe. Thank you.